Right, what we're going to do here now, we're going to flash a Nokia 3220 using our UFS box. We launch the software, connect the software to the clip, which you can see reads the clip serial number. Right, I know that the Nokia 3220 is a DST4 phone. If you're not sure what phone it is, just select it from a list and check the list, see what phone it is. Right, what I'm not going to do, I'm not going to select it manually. I'm going to press the info button, and what that will do, that should hopefully read the phone, which it has done. It's telling me the phone type and the software version on the phone, and that it's locked to orange. Right, and it's automatically changed my selection to what phone type it is. Right, so as you can see, it's locked to orange. So what you've got here, you've got a scenario what you want to do with the phone: flash and UI options, or you've got manual, or you've got just flash or just UI options. What we're going to do, we're going to flash the phone and UI options. I'll explain to you what they are now. The UI options are things like initialize SIM lock. If I double click that now, what that will do, that'll unlock the phone. Right, so if I press info again now, as you can see, it no longer says orange, it says test equipment. What test equipment means is the phone is not assigned to any service provider, it's totally unlocked. Right, so we've unlocked the phone already now, quite easy way. Right, so what we're going to do, this is the flash and this is the UI options. As you can see, it explains to you what languages are on what language packs. So first thing we'll do, we'll select the MCU file. If I press this button here, what it does, as you can see, the phone type is RH37, and it knows where that is on my PC, and it's found, because I've got the flash files installed, it's seen them and selected that folder automatically. So what we need to do, we need to find the MCU file for this phone. Right, what I'll explain to you, the software is 3.6 on this phone and I'm upgrading it to 5.50. Right, but the MCU file is always the one with the 0 on the end. So if you look through, there's only one with the 0 on the end. So we'll select that file, press open. Now that's selected in there. Right, the PPM is these language files. Right, I always use A because I'm only flashing English into these phones. Right, and I'm upgrading the firmware and debranding the phone. So I select my PPM file, go across. Right, as you can see here, you've got version 5.50, A, B, C. So A is English Norwegian, B is English German, etc. Right, and I'm going to select A. Right, as you can see, it's loaded A in there. Right, the contents package. Your contents packages tends to be like the Vodafone software. As you can see here, the contents version A hasn't got a name assigned, so it's just a debranded content package. But as you can see, there's different ones. There's a B debranded and a D by Italian network. There's a C Cellcom, etc. But because I've chose A as my PPM, I need to choose A as my image. So I select that as my contents package. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tick this use ini file. And what that's going to do, that's going to use the ini files that come with the flash files. Right, because I've got flash and UI options, what it's going to do, it's going to flash this phone and then look for what options I have ticked here. So I'm going to do a full factory default and a full software default, and initialize the SIM locks automatically after it's flashed. So I'm going to press flash now, start. What this is doing, as you can see, it's powering up the mobile, it's detected the mobile, it's booting in. as you can see, it's got it, and it's starting to flash and erase the memory on the phone. What I'll do, I'll just pause this and I'll come back to it when it's finished. Right, as you can see, it's flashed all the phone, then it's set the factory defaults, software defaults, unlock the phone again. Now it's saying it's all done. Right, if I just press info now, you can see the phone software is version 5.5, the contents pack is A, and there you go, the phone is unlocked. That's how to flash 3220 using the UFS.